Forced perspective is the art of using photography that creates an illusion of something used from the real world. It contains a lot of right timing, space distance, and planning, and it is used to create fantasy fiction worlds. Here are some examples. Forced perspective is an optical illusion where an object may appear smaller or larger, or nearer or farther away than it actually is. This is done by controlling the distance and vantage point of the camera. When further away, perspective plays less of a role and results in a more compressed view. Perspective photography is a technique that employs optical illusion to make an object appear farther away, closer, larger, or smaller than it actually is. It is used primarily in photography. Now go get a friend or some friends and make one.